Hey guys, Kai from Kurt Ranch. Wanted to talk to you guys about EPM. And sometimes when we hear a horse get EPM, it can be pretty scary. And my best friend, Rojo, everybody knows he's my buddy, and he did get EPM, and and we had to deal with that. Um, it's heartbreaking. It's scary. And trust me, I know how you feel if you're watching this. There might be a reason. I'll give you a few tidbits, but to start with is if you suspect a horse to have EPM, make sure you call your vet. There is a test that you can do to confirm it. Now, the test is not a pass or fail. It's actually a low, medium, high. And then depending on what level they're at, depends on the success rate of them fully recovering. Now, I can tell you that Rojo tested medium risk level of infection, and I actually had the opportunity. I had a really good vet that came in, Jennifer Boucher, Dr. Jennifer Boucher from Diamond J Veterinary. I also was put in touch with a gentleman by the name of Sonny Miller. He seems to, I would call him a subject matter expert in EPM. Is very smart about horses and was able to give me some information. And then, of course, I did my own research on EPM. And we were able to come up with a treatment plan for Rojo that looks like has been favorable. It looks like he's recovered. He's been cleared to start exercising via riding versus groundwork. And I can tell you there was a plethora of things we had to adjust to help Rojo. Number one, physical therapy and stretching. So every day he got a certain set of stretches done with the affected areas. Every day he was in physical therapy. Trotting was really healthy, either walking or trotting, whatever he could tolerate. There is pain involved, so there was some pain management we did as far as giving him bute when necessary, in addition to the medicines that he needs in order to recover from EPM. The medicines that we chose was Protozil. Protozil kills the parasite that causes EPM. And then in addition to one of the most important supplements you can give your horse is vitamin E. And then, of course, the other thing I added through into the mix, because I wanted to do everything I could possibly do to help my horse, is I bought a cold laser, a class 3B laser that used to treat to help repair the tissue areas where he had muscle atrophy, and that's actually what tipped us off that there might be a problem. So I'm not saying this treatment plan works for every horse, but it's worked out for us, and I can tell you it was very stressful for me at the very beginning. It's the first time I've had a horse that had EPM, and I learned a lot about it thanks to the support team that I've had. In addition to Mr. Miller, one of the things that we did is we switched Rojo's diet out. If you're not already feeding your horse this way, for various reasons, but originally Rojo was getting alfalfa pellets with supplements, and he was getting hay, coastal. When he got infected with EPM, we wanted to make sure that he gets the best, most nutrition he can. So we switched him to straight up alfalfa hay. And that also made a huge difference, along with the rest of the treatment plan we have done for him. And like I said, so far he's been successful. He's happy-go-lucky. He is himself. He went from no energy, always lying down in the pasture, body condition not looking too good, not wanting to do anything, was always grumpy, stumbling, having issues with his legs, back pain. Those were all the different things I found. And he went all the way from that after this treatment plan to very stout again. Body build is looking a lot better. Happy-go-lucky, gives me high fives like we usually do. That was the other thing he wouldn't do. He wouldn't give me high fives. Yes, I've trained my horse to give high fives when we see each other. And yeah, he's back to normal. Does that mean he's completely done? No. Once a horse has EPM, they can have flare-ups. Now, there are certain things that you can do to help prevent the flare-ups the best that you can. It's not guaranteed. There's some stuff out there. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to recommend. I myself haven't used it yet. So, but it is out there. But one of the things is just keep giving them the vitamin E supplement. They're gonna be stuck on that forever. So you might as well just keep getting it for them. His diet change, I'm probably going to keep him on this diet just because, like I said, EPM doesn't always fully go away. They can have flare-ups, and when they do, you just use the same treatment plan and adjust as necessary depending how they react. That's the best I can tell you guys in this video. If you suspect your horse has EPM, don't wait. The faster you act upon it, the more chances this horse, your horse, or anybody's horse has to recovering. So if you guys got any more questions, let us know. Look up Kurt Ranch. We are a learning ranch, so if there's anything you want to learn about horses or anything about any of the other animals we got on this ranch, we do that. We also do corporate events. We teach leadership, executive leadership as well here, and more than happy to support you guys. So, as always, God bless and keep on ranching.